Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? Happy 15th day of Vlogoween. I am here tonight. Now, this video is a Halloween video, so I can't wait to do this. I am going to create a hollowed, creepy looking face, like something you would see, you know, like The Ring, or, you know, like, it's gonna be cool. It's like a dead, hollow looked face. So you can do all this with regular makeup. That's how I'm gonna do this. What I'm gonna do is not gonna be any makeup for, like, from the Halloween store. It's not gonna be any of that. It's all gonna be regular makeup. So, how is everyone doing? And welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. If you've been here for a while, I'm glad to see you all back. And let's get on with this tutorial. So I did this face for a Halloween party on Saturday. It was a success. Everybody loved it. So first thing I'm going to do is, like regular, spritz my face. This is, believe it or not, a primer, because you're going to be using regular makeup, so you need to have it like, set it like regular makeup. So I'm using the Cucumber Wet n Wild for that. Now I am going to make my face look very pale looking. If I wanted to achieve this look with the Halloween makeup, I would use like a white. But I'm gonna do this with regular makeup, so I'm using a very pale shade in this Maybelline Fit Me. So I'm just gonna shake it up, and there's no wrong way or right way to do this. So I am just gonna put it on with a sponge. I just pour it on. And I'm just gonna go on with it to make my look very pale. And of course, doing this in the regular mirror in the bathroom is a lot easier than using a handheld like I am. So I'm just going to cake on a whole, and I go down my neck too, because you want to achieve the look all the way around. And I get every crevice around. So, and I like to put it on a little thick, because then it will build up and make your face look even more paler. So I'm just gonna kind of put this on and then let it dry just for a little bit. Okay. And get into the crevices of your eyes, because you don't want any spots moving around. Okay, so I'm done with that. Now the next step is, look at, I'm all dirty. Lucho, can you get me something to wipe my hands off, please? I forgot something. Oh! Alright, so I'm going to put this on. Now I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. It's very, very pale, so very pale. So I'm just gonna put this all around, like on top of what I just did. You know, just kind of lay it down. So let me get this. Don't put too much. I put a little too much on my... Now I have it on my eyelid. Don't do that. Alright, so what I did to achieve this look is to make yourself look really pale. Kind of go around on your face with the Tarte, because this is lighter than my foundation. Alright. So now I'll work this all in, and I hope the lighting's okay in here. It's not light outside and I have the blinds on, so it shouldn't reflect. Okay. All right, so now I look pale, you know, I look like I'm very, very pale. So next step is you could do, which I forgot to put on, but I did put on when I went to the party, is before you put on the foundation, put it on your lid, you know, to keep the eyeshadow in place. So this is another way of doing it, is to do the 24-hour anti-crease eyeshadow primer. So I would do this if you're going out to a party or whatever, but I forgot to put it on for you, so I just wanted to mention you could definitely put that on. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is do my eyes. Now I basically, to achieve this look, I just used the black, and I got this palette for BoxyCharm, this nice little palette, and it's really, really cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this little puffy brush to go first, and then the bigger areas use more of a angled brush. So let me start off with this. And you don't, like I said, there's no wrong way or right way to do this stuff. So I'm just gonna put this on. Just in the crease area for now. Start off small so you don't get overwhelmed. And you always have the blender bud that you used to do the foundation to, you know, correct whatever you don't like. So I'm going to use a bigger brush now. This is like more of an angled brush to get the rest, and I just kind of go all the way above my, just to kind of, you know, you want to look like a hollowed out effect, really. And then the angle brush is good to get in the corners of your eyes. Ooh. You just kind of go, get it as black as you can get it. And don't worry about messing up. You can always correct it after. This look, even if you think you messed up, you don't, because you want to look scary. You want to look the part. So, wow, that came out really good. I think it came out better than, So now, I'm going to take this very skinny, I would say eyeliner brush, and go underneath with it. See? You want to have it dark. And I'm no makeup artist. This is just my own creation for like a zombie dead look. Now that looks pretty good. I think this came out even better than it did on Saturday. And if you wanted to, now I'm going to end up putting a new take on this look because I didn't do this on Saturday. But now what am I thinking? I'm going to make like little more dimension into my skin. So now what I'm going to do with my eyes is take this. I got this at CVS. It's like the glittery silver black looking. Well, I'm going to take this very, very light, almost white shimmery. And to make it, you know, a little more pizzazzy. And just kind of, let's just go all over and make it a little more hollowed out. Scarier looking. See what the difference is? It just brings, to me, the eye more popping out. And if you like this, you know, doing, see, more of a pop out dimension look. So, wow, that looks really cool. That, see, it's better. This looks better than having it just plain. So, if you like these tutorials, let me know, because then I can, like, come up with different looks to show you for Halloween, which would be cool. And maybe I'll do a video with actual Halloween makeup. But you know what? A lot of times your own makeup is just as good. You know? So, what I'm going to do is take, actually, you know what? I have an idea. Take a regular brush, because you want to, I was thinking of putting more depth. Taking some black, you know, using your eyeshadow to make, and I'm using the same black for my eyes. This is eyeshadow now. Alright. Now I got the black. I'm trying to think. Yeah. Trying to think. I'm going to take this cinnamon. It's like a brown. Kind of make a little more of a rough look. And I'll show you the color I'm using. More of a scary, rough look. You can do anything you want. Not, like I said, nothing is, and I'm going to put this, I'll show you the color I'm using. The cinnamon color now. I used the black, and now I'm using the cinnamon. So, oh yeah, that looks really good. And then I'm going to put that cinnamon a little more up here to make it look more scarier, you know? I'm using my blush brush for that. But and to get off the color, I'm using the color changer cleaner to get it off. All right, so I did that look. So look at how, see, I created a whole new look. This is not how I did my makeup on Saturday. See, you can do anything. You can make up your own look. It's awesome. So you could use, if you wanted big lashes, you could use the, I like the Better Than Sex eyelash to make your eyelashes huge, but I didn't use that. I just kept my look like this. And, oh, now the best part, to make it look more ghostly is I'm using Unique powder, translucent powder, Behold, to just, to, you know, put a little more white on there. To kind of not make, you know, the black, to kind of like make it more, how can I say it, blend in. Oh yeah, really cool. So, and for those of you that are out there saying, what the heck am I doing? I'm making a ghostly zombie hollowed out look. And now I'm gonna go to a step further, and I want to be like more of a zombie. So I want blood coming down. So I'm using, and I had this on my previous video, Pac-Man lip gloss, red. Now, like I said, you don't need the fake blood. You can make your own. Needs to be more drippy on the wand. Doesn't have to be perfect. And you know what? I did put a silver lipstick, but I don't think it really goes very well. I think just kind of like a little red. Not bright, just like a worn look, and it could be smudgy because it looks like I just ate something.